Hey guys, welcome back to the farm set series. We are going to be making the duck today. This is the second one out of 6, and if you want to see how to make anything else in the picture there, just check out the others in this series. And to make our duck, we're going to start out with a little yellow, kind of a, I guess more like a sausage. And to make his tail, you just pinch it and pull it up and curve it up on the one end. The other end, you're going to pinch his hips a little bit and make sure the front end is balled out and a little bit bigger. And press down above his tail so he has kind of a waist. To secure the head, I use dried spaghetti. This is way safer than using toothpicks. Nobody's going to get hurt if a little kid grabs it and takes a bite. And to attach the head, you're going to make a little yellow ball. Like you saw in the video, paint a little bit of water around the spaghetti and press it into place, and that'll hold it there nice and safe. No one's getting hurt. To make the beak, you just need a little piece of orange, roll it out into more like an oval, and fold it in half. That's real easy, real basic, nothing special to it. And then a little bit of water on the face. I use the blade to press it into place because he's a little guy, he's kind of tricky. And that is it, nice and easy. To make the wings, I just cut out 2 thin yellow circles, and I'm shaping them into more of a teardrop shape. So the one end is pulled out and pointed, and the rest is left kind of thick and how it originally was. I'm also bending out the tip, the pointed end, so it looks like his wings are kind of curving out from his body a little bit. And you'll see that a little more clearly once they get placed on him. And again, just to connect them, add a little bit of water with your paintbrush, press it into place. I bent the wing out a little bit, you saw it there, and boom, wing, done, easy. You can do this. To make the other wing, just repeat it, do it again. And now all he needs are his little ducky eyes. Looking good. To make the eyes, you just need 2 little pieces of black gum paste rolled into little tiny balls. I place it in with the back of my paintbrush that I already applied a little bit of water to his face. You saw that already. So just stick those eyeballs on there as long as it will go on. Nope, it fell off, so that's okay. They do that too. So you get to see the realism of it. And press them into place. And that is it. Mr. Duck is super easy to make, and he comes out very cute, and this one is very happy. If you want to see the rest of the videos, just check out the rest of this series, and if there's something different you want to see, comment below and let me know what you'd like to see me make. Thank you very much.